everyone, Namaste, how are you and welcome back to my channel. And if you are seeing my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Shreya and I'll be very glad if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today's video is all about home decor ideas in which you can turn your old stuffs and old materials, old scrap metals which are available in our home. You can turn those things into a new decorative pieces, as I have done the same. And I have showed 4 decorative DIYs you can make very easily and yet so interesting and cool. So yeah, and also I'm going to use all these DIYs into my next upcoming video, which is about makeover of living room. That video I'll upload very soon, I think in the next or next week. So stay tuned for that also, because that video is going to be so interesting from all the DIY video. Stay tuned for that, and also without wasting further time, let's get into the video.
For the first DIY, here's a Dreamcatcher. I really wanted to buy this Dreamcatcher since so long. I thought, why not to make by myself to make this beautiful Dreamcatcher or wall hanging decor, whatever you can say. For that, we need this kind of ring. Here I am using a medium kind of ring. You can take any size of it. I am using green colored of thread. You can use any color, but go with a theme. Like I went for green and white. You can go with any pastel color by adding some white feathers, white beads in it. It will look more beautiful and more elegant. So just tie and cover the whole ring with that thread. So once you are done with the tying part, take another white thread and make a knot to the one end. And make space like 3 to 4 centimeter gap and tie another end. And you have to do the same as well to cover the whole area. Once you're done with the whole area of a circle, do same, cross over the middle of thread and do the same process to make a spider kind of net. So at the end it will look like this. You have to make 2 rings. The one is bigger, the smaller is I have made from a bangle. And just leave a thread like this. And using colorful beads, just add on some beads in it and tie it at the lower part of that big ring. I have made some tassels using white thread and I'm using some feathers also. I have taken green, yellow, blue kind of feathers, and at last I decided to add some beads into the tassels as well as feathers. Stick these feathers with thread using Fevicol. Once it dry, attach it with the Dreamcatcher ring. Attach it, and yeah, it will look so beautiful and so elegant. Next DIY, first select any perfect word. I have taken travel as a word and I traced it into another paper. Now cut it the excess part. Now I have taken black glitter foam sheet. Now you just have to stick that glitter. I'm using here Fevi-Stick, you can use any glue. Now stick that paper into the back side of the glitter foam sheet. Now carefully cut it out the letters. For the clean detail, you can use scraper also. Once you are done with the cutting part, it will look like this. Now take a print of world map, or you can use any map, and stick the letter into the middle of the map. Now to look more like a frame, I am using here a carton box, or you can use any kind of like sunboard, and just leave 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter border and cut it out the middle part. I'm using here scraper. Now it look like a frame. So I'm here painted with the white color. Or we can go with the pastel color also. And after painting the frame, just take out the map into the back side of the frame, and that's it. Let it dry, and yeah, it will look like so beautiful frame. For this third DIY, it's again a trendy one and super easy to make it. First, take a potato, cut it into half, and take any bold or white kind of cushion, a plain cushion. You need some fabric colors. For the cactus one, you can take green one, but I don't have. I ran out of green color, so I'm using here the red one. Before drawing the cactus, just soak out with tissue paper. If you are very good at drawing, just draw the cactus and cut it out carefully. Remove the first layer of a potato with the help of X-Acto knife or scraper. Once you will get the shape, take color and just cover the whole cactus with the brush. Before trying into the cushion, before that, test it with the tissue paper or something for the better result. Repeat the same thing to cover the whole area, and yes, it's done. For the second DIY print cushion, you need a basic flower. Just cover the whole flower with yellow color or any color and press it to the cover for a second or something and remove it, and yeah, it's done. Just you need to cover the whole area of a cushion. And here we have two cushions which look so beautiful. For this last DIY, what I did is I took a box or a small trunk, you can say it. Now I painted with the white color. I have already painted it before and it almost dried. Now I am taking washi tape and a sponge and some acrylic color. And you can use any color. So first I take a washi tape and I just randomly stick it to the whole top of the trunk and a box. Once it's done, I have taken three color, red, black and yellow, and I dip the sponge in it and I tried before applying it, and I cover the whole area first with yellow, then red and then black. You can go with any color but vibrant color. So it will look like this. Let it dry. Once it dry, then peel off the washi tape very carefully. Then you will get this amazing pattern looking on the top of your box. It's very easy to make and you can make this pattern in your wall or in your canvas. It will take bit of effort but give you an amazing pattern. And yeah, I'm using this old box as a table.
So that's the end of the video. I hope you like this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions regarding my video, regarding my channel, do let me know. I'll try to figure it out and correct it out. Till then, bye bye, take care.